I'm gonna show you how to translate page in Opera GX. So to get started, you have to open first your Opera GX browser, and then from there you just have to type in Opera add-ons. There you just have to wait, and then you will be redirected and click on the first link that appears. So from here, just have to click on Opera add-ons, and then you go to the search bar and search for translator, and then you just have to click on the first one, which is this one, and then you just have to click it, and then from there you just have to download and install this one. But for me, I already downloaded and installed this one. And then you can find your installed or download extension from this icon right here above, like the puzzle icon right here. And then if you have to click that, it will appear the Google Translator, and then you just have to click on it. It's either you can pin or unpin it. So for me, I'm just going to pin it, and then right there you're done with your installation. And then you have to go to any page that you want to translate. So for me, I'm just going to click on cnn.com, and then from there you will see that the page will be on English. So I'm going to translate this page into any language that you want. So from here, just have to click on this icon translator, and then it will show you the English or the current language that it is in. So to change that, you have to click on this icon right here, and then I'm just gonna click on Chinese, and right after that you just have to click on translate active page. Then it will redirect you to the next page where it will translate the original page that you searched, and then translate it into the page that you wanted to change from. So for me, it's way from English to Chinese. So from there you can see that the Google Translate above right here is trying to change it or translate it into the selected language that you want. So we just have to wait for a little bit, and then it will translate to the desired language that you did. So it will change in a bit, so we'll wait. And then now it's translated into the Chinese, and then that's how you translate page language in Opera GX.